Hi guys, welcome to Wing Ting's Kitchen. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel as this will mean a lot to me. Today we're going to make chicken wings, and instead of frying them, we're going to bake them. The benefits of baking is that it's healthier and it doesn't leave that oily smell in your kitchen that lingers. However, you don't get that same crispiness as you would if you fried them. The wings will go into the oven with a neutral seasoning, and then we'll make 3 sauces for them. So we have a Korean Yangnyeom style, a sweet soy sauce and sesame, and then an Asian buffalo, so using sriracha instead of hot sauce. This dish will be great for parties, and the variety of flavours will satisfy your guests or yourself. So let's get started. You will need 1 kilo of chicken wings, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. For the Korean style sauce, you'll need 2 teaspoons of oil, 4 cloves of garlic, 45 grams of Korean red pepper paste, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. For the sweet soy sauce sesame style, you'll need 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 2 teaspoons of oil. For the Asian buffalo, you'll need 20 grams of butter and 50 grams of sriracha sauce. Cut up the wings so the drumette and the wing are separated, but I like to call them the 1 bone and the 2 bone chicken wing. I like to pull out obvious feathers that have been left in the chicken, but this isn't necessary, but to me it makes it feel cleaner. Then dry each piece of the chicken wings with a kitchen towel. This will get rid of the moisture, which will help the chicken wing become more crispy. Mix your salt and garlic powder together and then sprinkle it over the chicken. Then add your baking powder, which will help crisp up the chicken. Give it a good shake so all the chicken is covered in the seasoning and baking powder. Line your tray with foil so it catches any oil that drips off and it's easier to clean. It's best to place your chicken on a rack and leave a little bit of space between each piece. This is so that the hot air can circulate and the chicken will get crispier. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees and put the chicken in for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, flip each chicken wing over so it can crisp up evenly. And then put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. After the second 20 minutes, flip the chicken over again. Put them back in the oven for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take the chicken wings out of the oven and flip each one again. Then put it in the oven for the final 10 minutes. The chicken's ready now. You can see it's gone a bit crispy on the outside. Now we'll make our Asian buffalo sauce. Melt the butter in a saucepan. Once it's all melted, add your sriracha sauce. Then mix this until it's well combined. If you like that extra kick, add a couple of drops of Tabasco sauce and mix well. Once it's all combined, you're ready to put in your chicken wings. Mix the sauce onto the chicken wings and so it's all evenly coated. Once you're happy that it's all coated, leave it aside and we can make our next sauce, which is the Korean style Yangnyeom sauce. On low heat, add oil and minced garlic to your pan. Stir the garlic to make sure it doesn't burn. When it's fragrant, add in your Korean red pepper paste and mix it well. Turn up the heat and add in the soy sauce and honey. Keep mixing until the sauce becomes one, like so. When it starts bubbling, you're ready to add in your chicken wings. Turn off the heat so it doesn't burn, and then mix them so the chicken wings well coated. You can save any leftover sauce for dipping. Now we move on to our final sauce, which is a sweet soy sauce and sesame. Add in your cooking oil, your light soy sauce and your dark soy sauce. On high heat, mix it and cook it until it bubbles. Add in your sesame oil. Be careful not to burn the sauce, so turn off the heat. And if it does get too hot, let the sauce cool down before you add your honey. Add the honey and on low heat mix it until it's well combined. Turn up the heat and bring the sauce to a bubble. When it starts bubbling, turn off the heat so it doesn't burn. Add your chicken wings and give it a good mix so the sauce coats all the chicken. We're ready to serve now. Here you can see my 3 types of chicken wings. We have the Korean Yangnyeom garnished with spring onions and sesame seeds, sweet soy sauce with sesame garnished with sesame seeds, and then the Asian buffalo with black pepper on top. Cooking time in the oven is long, but it's nice and easy to make and a great idea for potluck and entertaining guests. So I hope you give this a try soon and let me know how it goes. I hope you liked my video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications, and I'll see you next week. Bye!